making a beautiful bow for hair using scrap fabric. So take your fabric, and this is about 24 centimeters by 24 inches by 5 inches, 5.5 inches. So first thing we're gonna do is fold it in half. Fold it in half one more time. Then we'll make a mark here at about 2 inches. We'll make a mark. And then we'll draw a straight line from the mark all the way to the next corner. And then we'll cut this out. So now you have this. Now notice that you gotta put the right sides together. This is the right side. You gotta put it together. Make about 3 inches of marks here. From here to here. Okay. Leaving this much space, sew all around. Don't sew here, sew around and here. So leaving this space, we have sewn all around. Now we're gonna snip the corners. And if there's any extra fabric, we'll snip that. This, and this is the open space, so don't worry about that. What I usually do is we can iron it, so this means ironing it to make it lay down flat. So if you give me a second, I'll be right back. How you want your bow to look, you can do it this way, so the design is on this side, or you can okay. So you're gonna kind of like center it, kind of eyeball it, what it's doing. Kind of lay it out like this, kind of center it. Maxie, come here. And you kind of want to see that these two are equal, these two lines. By 2.5 inches. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna fold it, and you're gonna make a stitch line straight down here. Stitch here.